Hi everyone, it's me, Regina, and today we are going to be playing with makeup as per usual. And make sure to stay tuned till the end because I will be talking about a giveaway that I'll be doing because I just want to send out some love because my last review of Sephora and Stablo did so well, at least for me. I know it's not that much, but yeah, stay tuned for that. So what I have here for you today is I got myself the Urban Decay Naked palette and it's called Ultraviolet. This is something I'm quite excited for. It just came out. Before anything else, I do have my own naked palette, but it's actually the very first one. Yes, I mean it's already fading and I know that the lifetime of these is 24 months, but I've had this for about 4 years or 5, maybe even 6. I haven't hit pan yet, and I used to wear this every single day, especially the naked shade, because I use that to shade my nose if I feel like it. Yeah, so I'm very familiar on how the eyeshadows are on me, and they're absolutely wonderful. It just has a really good color payoff. Now, I just want to talk about the details of this palette. And so I got this at Sephora here in France, and it is 52 euros. So here in France, compared to America, tax is already included in our prices. So whenever you buy something, that's it. Yeah, it's 52 euros. And if I convert, so this may be different depending on the place you are in. So it is $59. And in the Philippines, it is 2,900, so almost 3,000. So now I am going to open this up. I have seen tons and tons of reviews online, but I did not watch it because I did not want to, I didn't want my opinions to be altered. So I'm going into this fresh. I only seen YouTube stuff like up to the thumbnail. It comes with a brush, a double-ended brush, which is nice. So there's options because I think the one that I have, this one only has one side. So this one comes with, it's really nice. It's purple, so it's so pretty. So it comes with a blending end, which I'm excited for. And it comes also with a shorter end so that you could have more control over your shadows. So that's the other one. So it's nice that you have the best of both worlds. Now these are the colors. There's my camera. There's the colors. And it has a huge mirror. I could see my whole face. That's nice because the Urban Decay old one, it has a small mirror and I cracked it. And when you close it, it's magnet. That's really neat. It's the same as the first one. It closes and it secures with a magnet. Now that you've seen the colors, let's swatch. Here are the swatches. It pretty much took up my whole entire arm. There you go. It's a lot. I'm kind of getting the idea of what I want to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this like a normal and everyday person and just create a nice daily look with a little bit of a purple umph. But yeah, let's get right to it. Wow. What I can say about the brush, the big one, the blending brush, it's nice. Does the job and it blends it for you pretty much, especially if you're a beginner and want to try something new. I think it kind of matches my top. Doesn't it? This color? Yeah, Yeah, it matches my top. I think I'm gonna go with Euphoric, and I'm still gonna go in with the blending brush. I'm gonna focus here to bring out the purple. A nice little shine to define the lids. That's pretty. Use purple dust to deepen the corners and using the small one. Oh, now tip for doing corners. I always keep my eye open so I know where I need to fill in. The small brush is doing well. It blends. It's not stiff to where it hurts. It's very soft. It blends, but it has control. Okay, so using this eyeshadow, make sure to not have your face done because there's a bit of fallout. Just remember, we are going for an everyday look. Don't expect a heavy, intense look. You can find that in other YouTube channels. Now I'm gonna take the most shimmery looking shade and it's called VR. I just realized the names are quite cyberpunky themed. So I'm gonna take this shimmery shadow and apply it in the middle of my lids. Oh, that's nice. Because this one makes me look kind of dead. I guess because it's just purple, but this brings in a bit of a pink shade and it brings it to life, but it matches the purple because I think the glitters look holographic and more on the purple side. I cleaned off the end of this, so I wanted to try Dazed. Golden peach looking. Now let's try it in the corner of my eye. Now what I like about the Naked palette that I have is if you want to intensify a color, the shadows just go well with water. Okay, so the daily look looks pretty good and I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyebrows, maybe a little bit of a liner and mascara. I think purple is just not an everyday thing. It's something that you wear when you go out at night or out in the weekend or on a vacation. Purple is a pretty wild color. Now, what I could say about this palette is from here to here, and maybe a little bit of this. This can be your everyday look. And if like, say you go out that night, you could just add on these colors, which pretty much go well together. If you're up for spending this much, 52 euros, on a big palette like this, I think it's sort of worth it. But if you know yourself that you're never gonna touch these colors, I don't recommend you buying it because it's too much. I mean, there's so many palettes out there that will provide you with earthy, everyday tones. So, but if you are more on the creative side and you're not afraid of colors, this is a nice palette to have, like just to have all the purples that you need, deep and bright and a bit of holographic cyberpunk feel, metallic. This is a really nice palette for the creatives and that are not afraid of colors. I just want to do a little bonus and be crazy and try some of the other shades, and I'm sure I can just put it on top of whatever I have. And I want to try Lucid, and it just looks so bright. Oh, this is more of like, it's not actually, I thought it was the color. It's like a highlight, a really bright highlight. Okay, I'm gonna go out of the sun and show you. It's a highlight looking thing, but when I'm in the bright light, oh, this is cute. That changes the whole entire look. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's a close-up for you. Now I want to try Warning. It's like a bright, bright pink. I'm having so much fun. Oh, that's a lot of color. It's pretty deep. Now keep in mind I already have shadow here, so Don't judge it right off the bat. That pink. That looks cute. That looks cute too. But that's nice. That can be a daily look-ish. Overall, this isn't, I guess it's a review, but I guess it's a mini review. This is just me trying this makeup because I already know I'm gonna love it, and I absolutely do, and I can't wait to do more looks on this palette. And hopefully when things are completely back to normal, I can finally just be crazy with my makeup and try it out when I go out or something. Before I end this video, I did mention that I will be doing a small giveaway. Yay! I am going to give away a Sephora gift card. Basically, the mechanics are you have to be subscribed to me, and you make sure to comment down below what you think of this new palette that I just did, and make sure to take a screenshot of this video and post it on your IG stories, and make sure you tag me, which you'll see right here, and also tag Urban Decay Cosmetics at the same time when you post that story. Please do follow me on my Instagram. So that's it. I mean, that's all you gotta do to win this Sephora gift card. Like, oh my god, I want this. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys stay healthy, be well, and give love to the world. Bye!